Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Afishin Fatih Fawazir Rashad. I am from Diploma 3 Dental Nursing Semarang. In this time, I will presentation about stone animal abuse. Primarily, since ancient time, animals are something that we can never be separated from human daily life. Whether is it used for work, pets, or for other purpose. Therefore, we must show reciprocity to the animals around us, be it giving food, drink, or even a place to live for nothing. But there are some people who make this animal their own satisfaction. They mercilessly harm, torture, kill, and even exterminate a population of animals. Therefore, as people who have feeling, we should promote stop abusing animals activists. This activity is carried out so that there is no turn of extinct animal population and only written in history storybooks without our children and grandchildren knowing. In this presentation, we will learn about four themes. The first is what is animal. This, the second is animal abuse. The third is stop animal abuse, and the fourth is conclusion. In everyone who has a pet hurt animals, there is good for those who do good to him. Bukhari had this history. What is animal? Animals, beasts, fauna, wildlife, or animal are multicellular, eukaryotic organisms that make up the biological kingdom Animalia. With few exceptions, animals consume organic matter, breathe oxygen, are mobile, reproduce sexually, and grow from a hollow ball of cells, the blastula, during the embryonic phase of development. Example of protected animal. Protection of animals must be done because their population is decreasing in the world. In fact, every animal has a role for the ecosystem or nature around it. In addition, rare animals must also be protected so that the population can increase. The release into the wild again. The second is animal abuse. What is animal abuse? Animal abuse is a form of deprivation of human right to animals that have been given to animals with the aim of the safety and comfort of animal population and the arrangement of a neat environmental ecosystem. Little example of animal abuse. The first is torture of animal on the street, hunting of animals for personal reasons or reasons that are not certain, massive fishing without cultivation of captivity. The torture of street animal may already be familiar to our ears, especially with the familiarity of street animal with humans. It is not possible for us to see some animals that get bad treatment from humans. For example, throwing stones at cats on the street, disturbing hungry dogs, and others. Poaching or hunting without permission is an activity in which the killing of an animal is carried out without reason and without permit. Poaching has been rampant by most people and has been even made an animal population extinct. For example, Sumatran rhino, Javan tiger, and others. And the last is illegal fishing. Illegal fishing is the activity of catching fish in a large number without reporting on recording. On average, fish included in illegal fishing are fish whose population are almost extinct, or even fish that are included in animal protected by the government. The threat stop animal abuse. From a number of total cases recorded by cat lovers in the world, only three have reached court and one perpetrator has been fined. Based on Article 32 of the Criminal Code on Animal Protection. Even though it happened in one area, not to mention other areas. Even if this continues to happen, it does not rule out the possibility of animal extinction for the next decade. Therefore, as a human being who has feeling for fellow living creatures, the abuse of animals must be stopped and dealt with quickly. The The criminal regulations regarding animal abuse and killing are regulated in Article 302 of the Criminal Code. KUHP quotes from the hukumonline.com site. In paragraph 1 of the article is it states that preparation of manner abuse of animals can be threatened with a maximum imprisonment of 3 months or a maximum fine of 4,500 rupiah. Perpetrators of severe abuse can be punished with a maximum imprisonment of 9 months or a maximum fine of 300 rupiah. The last is solution. What is solution of animal abuse? Animal abuse can be overcome by doing small things on the condition that we must do it voluntarily on the basis of fellow living beings. The example is a feed animal on the street, report an act of poaching or something, cultivating rare fish to be preserved again, and learn about morality to animals. That a presentation for me. Please give me apologize for the poor word and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.